We got another one, no start found. This the problem. The float is stuck. We'll try to clean it out, see where everything work. It's a Husqvarna all-wheel drive, so let's see what it do. The float is stuck. The fuel is coming out of the carburetor and dripping down. So the little clip on the float, it came off, so pushed it back on. Currently unclamped the gas line. It's not leaking now. It's dry, so we're gonna see. Put everything together and see where it start. We'll be back. All right, everything together to start. We gotta clean it up. Good to go. Be back.